If you are unable to quit these 6 bad habits, you will never be able to move forward in life. As a man, it is crucial to get rid of these bad habits because they are hindering your progress, damaging your mental health, and making your life miserable. Every night before sleeping, you regret wasting your entire day again. But once you quit these 6 bad habits, you will start focusing on yourself, striving for self-improvement, and taking the steps needed to achieve success. And yes, only watch this video if you are willing to watch it completely. Otherwise, stop right now because half-baked knowledge can be dangerous. Habit number 1, scrolling social media. Nowadays, hardly anyone exists who doesn't scroll through social media. It's an addiction that disconnects you from reality and yourself, turning you into a zombie who endlessly scrolls. Sometimes you laugh, sometimes you feel sad, sometimes you get angry. A sad song reminds you of your ex, a motivational reel makes you feel inspired, and a half-dressed girl makes you think about sex. Just imagine, within a few minutes, you experience a roller coaster of emotions. Can you imagine how badly this is affecting your mental health? That's why, no matter what, delete Instagram, Snapchat, and all other short-form content apps from your phone. This habit will ruin your life. Your focus will become so weak that you won't be able to concentrate on anything for even a minute, let alone for years. Sometimes people ask me, which era are you living in? Why don't you use Instagram? But they don't realize the harm that excessive scrolling can cause. I'm telling you this because you want to improve yourself and become successful. Otherwise, like 90% of people, you would be wasting your time watching comedy, roast, or prank videos. Habit number 2, entertainment. Some people even get a Netflix subscription just so they can ruin their sleep. Now you might be wondering, why would anyone want to ruin their sleep? Well, nowadays, hardly anyone sleeps before midnight, so what do they do during that time? They watch movies, anime, and web series, which usually last 2 to 3 hours. Some people even binge watch an entire show day and night. But what is all this leading to? Wasted time, disturbed sleep, and deteriorating mental health. And when you wake up at 9 or 10 in the morning, will you feel like working? No, you won't. You'll feel sluggish all day, and you'll keep feeling sleepy. Look, I'm not saying don't watch movies, web series, or anime, but it shouldn't become a habit. Watching a movie once in a while is fine, maybe once a week or even once a month, but watching something daily? That's not a good idea. Instead, prioritize getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Give your mind and body the rest they need. Habit number 3, fast food. Fast food keeps our brain and body alive. But if you put things into your stomach that are not good for your brain and body, what will happen? You will feel lazy, and excess fat will accumulate in your body. So from today, avoid fast food and stop eating outside food. Don't chase taste. Instead, focus on whether what you are putting inside your body is healthy or unhealthy. If it is healthy, eat it. If it is unhealthy, avoid it. Habit number 4, toxic friends. These are the kind of people who will never let you become successful. They will always find faults in everything you do. They will tell you that you can't do anything and will always try to bring you down. They will only talk to you when they need something. These people can't achieve anything themselves, so they won't let you achieve anything either. If you have such friends, stop talking to them and end your friendship with them. When I was in 10th grade, I had a toxic friend. He used to hang out with other people, and at the same time he would bully me. Because of him, no one respected me. But when I moved to 11th grade, I stopped listening to that toxic friend and distanced myself from him. Instead, I started working on myself. After that, my whole identity changed and people started respecting me. That also helped me make good friends. That's why, to gain something, you have to let go of bad things. And this rule applies to everything in life. Habit number 5, blame is something that stops you from doing anything. I can't become rich right now because I was born into a poor family. I understand that the journey from being poor to becoming rich is difficult, But think about this. If you keep blaming others, will that solve your problem? If blaming actually solves it, then keep doing it. But if it doesn't, then why waste your time and energy on blame? It will only make you unhappy and drain your energy. So stop blaming unnecessarily. Instead, make the best of what you have. You have to work with the environment you are in. Accept your situation and move forward without blaming anyone. Because this life doesn't belong to anyone else. It's yours. You have your entire life ahead of you, so work hard now, do something meaningful, and live the rest of your life happily. Who knows? The person you are today might not be the same a few years from now. Habit number 6, overthinking. When you do nothing, you start overthinking. If you think a little about your work, that's fine. But if you keep thinking endlessly, wondering how to start, whether you have the resources, whether it will work, or if you'll get results, you just get stuck in a loop of overthinking. The more you think, the more you'll get trapped, and the more your work will be delayed. So, if you want to do something, just start. Don't sit and overthink. Whatever doubts or conclusions you have will fade away once you begin. As you progress, you'll figure things out naturally. So, my friend, stop overthinking and start working. You need to remove these 6 bad habits from your mind. 1. Stop scrolling social media. 2. Stop wasting time on entertainment like Netflix. 3. Stop eating fast food. 4. Stop spending time with toxic friends. 5. Stop blaming others. 6. Stop overthinking. Just start working. And of course, you can subscribe for more.